Hello, everyone. I am doing a review today of the from Hedgehog Health. This is a Hoglet fidget toy and computer mouse. It is designed for kids who need to be able to fidget and touch on things, to be able to get that sensory input while they are using the computer, because a lot of times computer is not a place that we have other fidgets available. So they come in the yellow box. I'm going to open one up here. They sent me two different colors because I wanted to see them. So this is the blue. And then I also have a green, which my little one just saw, and he's so excited because green is his favorite color. It actually comes with the batteries, which is good because I don't think I have AAAs. And then in the bottom of the box, it has a little information thing about it. You can post on the workspace on there. It's a user manual. And then it comes with a cute little sticker that has a little hedgehog on it. So the silicone actually will come off. So it's just a plain mouse, and then a silicone comes off. It is food grade silicone, so if you have a mouther, it's not going to bother that. I was looking at the website, it is dishwasher safe also, so it can be washed in the dishwasher. And here in a little bit, when I do the other review, I'm going to plug it in and we're going to try it out. But it's actually a really nice feeling silicone. I'm kind of picky about like what I like to touch, and this one has a nice feel to it. So I think that it's going to be a nice feel for a lot of variety of sensory seekers and avoiders even, because I'm interested. I'm going to have my kids come in and feel them and see what they think about them, because I have a seeker and I have an avoider. So anyways, that's the unboxing. That's the Hoglet fidget and computer mouse, and I'm excited to explore a little bit more and finish up the last review. Thank you.